Tensions between India and Pakistan have escalated sharply following the recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which left 26 people dead. India responded swiftly, unveiling a string of diplomatic and strategic measures. In retaliation, Pakistan closed its airspace to all Indian airlines, a move with major global consequences. One of the worst hit sectors is aviation. Flights between India and North America are now facing significant delays and detours. A report by Flight Radar 24 says that without access to Pakistan's airspace, long haul flights from Delhi to the US and Canada now require refueling stops. Air India has introduced stops in Vienna and Copenhagen. Vienna, in particular, has seen a spike in traffic. Earlier, Air India's flight AI 127 from Delhi to Chicago used to fly non stop via Pakistan, covering around 12,500 kilometers in 14 hours and 47 minutes. Now it must avoid Pakistan, make a fuel stop, and travel nearly 15,000 kilometers. The new journey time over 19 hours. Similarly, AI 174 from San Francisco to Delhi used to take 15 hours and 25 minutes. With the new Vienna refueling stop, it now takes more than 20 hours. Regional routes have also been hit. Indigo's flight 6E1806 from Delhi to Tashkent previously took 2 hours and 18 minutes. It now takes over 5 hours, rerouting through Iran and Turkmenistan. Airlines have issued statements to passengers. Air India posted on X that some flights to and from North America, the UK, Europe, and the Middle East will take extended routes. It apologized for the inconvenience, calling the situation beyond our control, and reaffirmed passenger and crew safety as its top priority. Indigo also released a travel advisory confirming that several international flights are impacted. The airline is monitoring the situation and advising passengers to check flight statuses and rebooking options online. On the diplomatic front, India has taken a firm stand. A day after the attack, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri announced that Pakistani nationals will no longer be allowed to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme. India also suspended the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 till Pakistan credibly and irrevocably ends support for cross border terrorism. The integrated checkpost at Atari was shut with immediate effect. Those who have already crossed may return before May 1st. Additionally, India expelled Pakistani defense, naval, and air advisors from its High Commission in Delhi, declaring them persona non grata. Soon after, most Pakistani visas issued by India, including medical visas, were revoked. Pakistan retaliated 2 days later by announcing the airspace closure. Stay with us for more updates on this developing story.